Ethel Chamomile here, and back again with another Unity tutorial. And today we are going to make the function to actually spawn the collectible repeatedly. So let's get into it. First of all, I'm gonna make another new folder and call it spawner, because the name of the function script is gonna be spawner. Right. And I'm gonna make another folder inside it and call it scripts. Inside the scripts, we're gonna make an actual script, and I'm gonna call it spawner. Open the spawner script, and here we have it. So to instantiate, to spawn something, we're gonna need something called function called instantiate. Sorry. Ouch. Okay, so I'm gonna make a variable over here and call it a game object variable. This is where we're gonna put our collectible prefab. We're gonna call it prefab, and then we want to spawn the collectible in. We want to spawn the collectible in an interval, right? So I'm gonna make another variable and make it a float called interval. Maybe every half a second. Good. Now I will run you through this one by one. Let's make a function called spawn, and what this function is gonna do, it will simply it will be the function that actually do the spawning. I'm gonna make another private variable over here real quick. Transform spawn. Alright, now the transform here, let me explain it for a real bit. So over here, when we make a game object, this object is this game object, right? And over here you can see the transform, where the position, rotation, and whatnot are. That is what referred to by this transform. Okay, now I'm gonna instantiate over here. Instantiate is the function that we call to spawn an object, and I'm gonna pass the prefab to tell the function what to instantiate. But this isn't enough, because if I do this, the script will just instantiate the object somewhere I may not want it to be. So I need to change the transform, the position of this instantiated object, but to do that, I need to refer to it. So we can do something like this. Spawn is instantiate prefab. It's red because instantiate, as you can see over here, it returns the game object. Meanwhile, spawn is a transform, so we simply need to put dot transform here. Now we can make the spawn dot position equals to transform the position. Transform here refers to the transform of the game object where this script is attached to, right? And we're gonna also set the rotation just in case. There you go. Maybe not the rotation, I guess only the yeah, just in case. Right. Just to make sure, I'm gonna make the spawn dot game object dot selective true. This will make sure that the spawn game object is set to true, so it actually appears in the game. Why do we need to use the game object here? That's because spawn is transform, and we need to access the game object to call the selective function. Alright, now we have the spawn. I'm gonna make the interval private void count interval. Alright, I'm gonna make another variable over here. I'm gonna call it timer. Maybe interval timer. Make it 0. So what this is gonna do, it will count down this timer, and every time the timer goes to 0, it will spawn something, right? Okay. So here, how are you gonna do it? If interval timer is more than 0, right? Interval timer minus equals time the delta time. Time the delta time is the time that has elapsed since the code is called or something. I don't know how to explain it actually, but it's basically like time. So basically what can happen is interval time, as long as we are calling this function, the timer value will keep increasing along with the time. And then I'm gonna else, that means when interval timer is equal to or less than 0, I'm gonna call the spawn function, and interval timer equals interval, which will make the interval timer 0.5. So what will happen is this will check if the interval timer is more than 0. If it's more than 0, it just count it down. If it's less, and then it will look back up here and check again. If it is less or equal to 0, it will spawn and make the interval timer 0.5, and it will look back here. And since the interval timer is more than 0, it's 0.5 now, it will go back here again. So this code will just keep looping and looping. Now we can actually call it. I'm gonna call it in the update and just simply call the count interval. Now we go back to Unity. Hold it. There you go. We can safely delete the collectibles over here. I'm gonna make a new game object. I'm gonna call it spawner. Maybe call it like collectible spawner. Collectible spawner. Don't forget to reset the position. And I'm gonna I will put this over here. As you can see here, there's a white line. That is the edge, right edge of the screen. I'm gonna put the spawner over here, outside of the screen. And I'll change this the icon to something like maybe this one. Huh? Ah. My Unity is lagging. What is happening? Come on. There you go. It's not appearing. What's wrong? Oh, there you go. So what I just did is I gave the collectible spawner an icon, so we can see where it is on the screen, even without me putting anything on it like a cube or something. Anyway, here we're gonna put our spawner, and the prefab will be, of course, this. Don't forget to save. And now if we hit play, there you go. And as you can see, we now have the collectible keep spawning and spawning. It will keep doing that for eternity. So yeah. So in conclusion, for today we have created the spawner, which allows us to spawn the collectible over and over again. In the next video, I will cover maybe I think it's about time to make the spawner go up and down. So no. In the next video, I will show you how to optimize the performance, because right now, as you can see, if the collectible keeps spawning right over here in the hierarchy, you can see that it's just there. It just keeps being there. So in the next episode, I'll tell you how to destroy these things. I'll show you on how to destroy the collectibles that has gone out of the screen. And until then, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you like the video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.